Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's class is also going to be very interesting because today we are going to learn a new trick, or you can say that is a technique for everyone. Let's have a look how we'll follow this trick. So question is you have to find out the square of this number, only the square. But today we are going to show you a trick. With the help of this trick, you can easily find out the square of any two-digit number. Let's have a look how we'll do it. So here you have to find out the 45 square. So this is the technique. So this is the unit digit, this is the 10th digit. So here you have to take the square of unit digit, that is 5. So 5 square is 25 and 4 square is 16. I'll write in this pattern. Now I have to add up all these three numbers, this with this and this. So it will be 4 5 ja 20, 20 into 2, 40. 40 I'll write here in this pattern, right? Now I'll add this number, addition. So here is 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, that is 6 plus 4 is 10. So 0 here, carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. That is 2025 is the correct answer. I hope it's clear. Now the second one, you have to find out 32 square. 32 square. So here we have to take the square of 2, that is 0, 4. Square of 3 is 9. Now I'm going to multiply all these three numbers. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 I'll write in below in these patterns. Now I'm going to add further. So 4 here, 0 plus 2, that will give me 2. 9 plus 1, exactly 10. 1024 is the product of 32. Square of 32 is 1029. Now the third case, I have to find out the square of 82. Unit digit is 2 and 10 digit is 8. So 2 2s are 0, 4, 8 8s are 64, right? Now if I'm going to multiply these three numbers, what will get? 6 2s are 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, right? 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 32 I'll write in this pattern. So now I'm going to add. So this will give me 4, 0 plus 2, that will give me 2, 4 plus 3, that is 7, 6 here. So 6 7 2 4 is the square of 82. Isn't it very interesting and very easy to find out the square of any two-digit numbers? I hope you like it. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel so that I can reach to each and everyone very easily. So thank you for watching.